Hey y'all, this is Azalea. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to talk today about the ways the Lord has smitten me. What was that?
I do think the Lord smote me down and I can't figure out why.
I do think the Lord has smote me down and I can't figure out why.
Hey guys, it's me Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. I've been super busy lately being pregnant, and John had surgery and this and that and the other, but today we get that house tour. One of the first things I did when we got the house is begin this little hill garden next to this street, and I'm so glad I did. It's really coming in good this year. I've got a lot of yarrow about to pop, my lavender, echinacea, lilies. They grow like weeds. Not lilies. Well, I do have lilies, but the irises are what grows like weeds. They just taken over. I love these wreaths that I wove from the vines in our overgrown backyard. So yeah, it's coming along. It's John's kale. Kale's about out of season, so we're chopping it all down and eating it, and then he's gonna get the pots out of my flower garden. So glad I started investing in bulbs pretty much as soon as I could. I sit on that log and do my compost in that bin. I need a prettier compost bin. The shade garden is coming in lovely here by the patio. This has definitely been the magical spot so far that I want it to be. I love to come out here and sit. One really nice thing that John did before his foot surgery was using these stones on our property. He made a staircase up the hill from the backyard up to the patio. I mean, it is just magical and enchanting. I can't even believe he did that. Look at this magical little stone staircase. I mean, we were slipping and sliding on this hill. There needed to be a solution because this is a major travel way. But this has just come out so nice. Obviously, my name is Azalea, and I bought these azaleas on clearance last year after they'd already bloomed from Lowe's. They're gonna bloom this year. They've come back really nice. So I've got 1, 2, 3 framing the little patio here. Very pleased. Here are the beautiful hostas I planted with you guys for the housewarming. They're coming in beautiful this year. Plants, perennials, they're just the gift that keeps on giving, like forever. It's so beautiful. This is my really good compost that I kind of use a lot for my plants, and it's full of worms. It's kind of half worm farm, half compost. Front porch could definitely use some tidying. The living room is cute. It's really messy right now, but y'all was never gonna get a house tour if it won't just gonna be a messy one. So coffee table, love the coffee table. Very, very glad we got that. Love the couch. Very, very glad we got that. The end tables are working really good. I still need like a cozy armchair or a love seat. Poofs, like for like floor seating more so. There's some furniture I really still want to collect in here. For right now, Begonia is living in the living room. I don't love that. if she's going to stay. Her house training suffered when we moved in here. So she is either going to need to get better at her house training and live more of a free range house rabbit life, or get a more attractive enclosure. Still very happy with the mini split system. Now we're using some AC, not just the heat. Things are coming along. Here comes Johnny. He's still in his boot, but he's not on crutches, if you've been following his foot saga. The entranceway, the hooks, the shoe bench, they work, but it's a bit cluttered. The key hooks, those have been good for organization. We still need to work on this. And then things that I have yet to unpack, they go in this hallway, so... That's a pile of laundry and things to unpack and put away. Got the new baby's car seat. That's a huge box. Once I get the car seat installed in John's car, that'll be better. Me and John's bedroom has truly become one of my favorite spaces in the whole house, for real. The floors are so beautifully refinished. I did that when we were fixing up the place. These are John's plants. I'll be ready when all his seedlings go outside. He's got them all over the house. But it's not quite time for that. I've not even made the bed. But everything... I don't know. This room is just really cozy. The paint color, the curtains... It has everything we need. This is where I do my exercise ball for the pregnancy. I got baby things, baby bed. It's very cozy. Since I got my hypotension, my POTS, and I started passing out when I went to physical therapy, I have stopped my physical therapy. And the only exercise I'm doing right now is like my hip exercises, just to open up and prepare for labor, prepare for birth. So I still do these exercises. Gotta prepare. So I feel like I'm gonna labor at home before I go to the hospital. I'm not that far from a hospital. But I think I'm going to labor in here. Like, I imagined it always in the living room, but this room has just kind of become my nest within the nest, especially during this pregnancy. I have to spend more time laying down. I have to spend time laying down. So that happens in here. It's like a pillow under my belly. The kitchen is a mess. We still don't have the stove up in the corner because we have to change the electric outlet. But the storage and the shelves are working out really good. And more of John's seedlings. John and I share a passion for gardening, but the house just gets so full up. Right now I have so many boxes I still need to unpack that clutter is just like a major beat in my bonnet right now. Still loving the refrigerator. I have yet to get my chest freezer set up in the basement because with my big belly and then with John's foot, it's just like, it feels hard, overwhelming. I love having the table. We gather here for meals. You know, we were just gathering around coffee table in the rental. We did not have an eating kitchen. We did not have dining. Having a table to gather with my family and feed my children is everything. I needed that in my life so bad. This is the stairway down to the basement. That's where we have unfinished storage space and John's office. The hallway pantry that I imagined works like a charm. up the stairs is where I have my office space. Little azalea things. I went grocery shopping yesterday. I just hurled the toilet paper up the stairs because that's how it is right now. I have to spend so much time laying down. It's just like whatever I can get done when I can get it done. Now this is my plant nursery in my office. Oh my God. Oh, John even had to bring some of his plants into my plant nursery. I try and keep all my stuff in one spot. If y'all can't tell. I like to keep my stuff separate in my azalea areas. John thinks because we are soulmates and entwined with our souls that all of our belongings should also be entwined. I need space. So this is my little office area, my little makeup area. Changing pad for the baby. Coming soon. Coming to a YouTube channel near you. The bathroom has been lovely. The bathroom has been lovely. Everything we did in the bathroom is just working out. It's lovely. It's great now that we have our hot water fixed. Kids' room. Gecko. I still need to set up a power strip for the gecko's light system instead of plugging and unplugging for daylight, light. Wash machine. It's definitely messy. Today I'm going to do some cleaning. Zinnia's little bulletin board, bed. She has a snail in her fish tank. Tom's bed, Tom's desk. Still have some things to do in here. We are all just happy as clams to be in this house. This has been a great place for me to convalesce after my blood pressure issues, and coming up, I have one more moon until this baby is born. One more moon. And John has been convalescing from a foot surgery. It's been a great place for him. It's just, we are all, the children are so much more comfortable here. We are more comfortable here. I feel like people who visit us feel really comfortable and homey here. It's been a game changer. The house has been what I thought it would be. It's been a great place.